Good morning. I'm Professor Sheila McAvey, your instructor for CORE 1500. What I'd like to do this morning, briefly in this video, is to review the Canvas setup, okay, and talk about Canvas is where we'll be doing the work, submitting assignments. Okay, you've probably heard about Microsoft Teams, and that is kind of the equivalent of Zoom, where every Thursday for the class time, 9:25 to 10:40, we will meet to go over materials, discuss difficulties, kind of talk about projects. Okay, so and Tuesday and Thursday should be the kind of cycle for doing work. Tuesdays will be group or sharing materials amongst yourselves, submitting assignments, and then Thursdays will be talking about course assignments, talking about some of the course material for that particular week. Okay? So for Thursday, there is a module. Each of the weeks is considered a module in Canvas. So you need to roll over these not necessarily very long materials. Start with the syllabus, which talks about the kind of the definition of the course, okay, the rules about submitting work on time, or contacting me before a deadline if there's a particular problem that you come up with. Your grade will be based on your course grade, that is, collaborations, individual assignments via discussion, or research projects. There are two main projects, one a future of work project that entails looking at what might be issues in how work is going to be done, how careers are going to unfold in the future. And then a final project, kind of career-focused or career-based, on what might be a particular unmet need that you could answer or solve or propose in your career field. Okay, so thinking of opportunities in this. So those are the big gateposts, if you will, for the course. Okay, so read through the introduction materials. If you certainly have questions, please let me know. Okay, professional behavior. Just a reminder that what you write online, what you say online, needs to be respectful. Okay, that you don't want people insulting you, so please offer others that same respect. Okay? So week one, okay, you'll get an overview each week of what's going to happen. Instructional materials. This is the page where you will get the readings, getting the assignments. And granted, the course was set up before the announcement that we would not be having any physical class meetings. So for the moment, ignore the in-class agenda. Okay, but on the instructional materials, this is where you go to find the videos that you have to watch, find the readings that you need to go through. Sometimes they're Agile Mindset quizzes, very brief quizzes. So for week one, I'm going to talk on Thursday, I believe, about Credo, which is a library research tutorial, series of tutorials. Okay, so I'll talk about that on Thursday. So also in instructional materials, each week you'll find the homework assignments. So for week one, complete the Agile Mindset and Me worksheet, okay, and some of the readings to skim through for that. A discussion about the future of work, and then searching for information that's tied with the Credo, which is a library resource or research resource. Okay, so that's in. Always go to modules. Okay, that would be after you've done the introductory material. Okay, there are some assignments that are due for Wednesday and Thursday. Okay. What is the Agile Mindset is one assignment. The future of work, what expectations you have about the future of work. And then I'm going to change the deadline, not August 25. Searching for information on cognitive load. We'll talk about the in-class, the Credo, how to do research, and the particular topic for this is cognitive load. That is, what's your breaking point what's your brain's breaking point? That's what a short and dirty definition of cognitive load. Okay, so that will be week 1. Okay, I will plan to be online, perhaps in Microsoft Teams on Tuesdays during class time. So those would be kind of my office hours generally. So that would be a time where you can log on and ask me questions or inquire about explanations for an assignment that's due, or if you're having trouble getting online, what's a workaround that you could do. Okay, so for Tuesday, read through the syllabus, read through the introduction material, creating a video introduction of yourself, and then start looking at the week 1 instructional materials, because week 1's happening sooner than we like, to expect. And then start some of the assignments. Okay, the video due, I believe, for Tuesday, and then the Agile Mindset due Wednesday. I'll try to keep the assignments due like 11:59 each, whatever date they're set for. Okay, but once again, if you're having any trouble with meeting a deadline for an assignment, please contact me. Okay, through email, through Starfish. Okay. And my email is sheila.mcavey@becker.edu. Preferably you use your Becker email to correspond with me, because that will keep things, that's my way of getting in touch with you. I don't have all your personal emails. I will be using your Becker emails. Okay, so I'll be posting this in announcements, which is for the moment the go-to place for where do I start in any course. Okay? And if you're having any questions, any difficulties, please email me. Okay? Stay safe.